Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by parking level and chalking the wheels, safety first. Jack the trailer slightly and support it on stands so the axle is free to move. Remove any debris and check the frame and hitch mounting points for clean, solid metal. Next, lay out the sway bar components in order and read the kit diagram so you know which end faces the hitch. Once done, loosely assemble the bar to verify fit before final drilling or bolting. You now position the center bracket under the hitch plate and align holes with the frame. If holes don't line up, clamp and mark before drilling. Fit the sway bar through the center bracket so the tube sits parallel to the axle, then attach end links to the axle brackets using the supplied bushings and washers. Tighten bolts by hand to keep movement while you adjust. Once the bar is centered and both ends mirror each other, prepare to torque to spec in the final step. You finish by torquing every fastener to the kit or manufacturer spec. This ensures the sway bar acts predictably under load. Lower the trailer and perform a push-pull test at the tongue while someone watches the links and brackets. Look for binding, uneven travel, or loose bolts. If you find resistance or noise, raise the trailer back up, loosen slightly, realign the bar and bushings, then retorque. One key troubleshooting tip: replace any compressed bushings before final torque to prevent binding and premature wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.